If you're brand new to dropshipping, this is your complete beginner's tutorial to AutoDS in 2025. Let's break it down step by step. First, go to AutoDS.com and create your free trial account. Once you're in, you'll choose your platform, Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, and connect your store in just a few clicks. Next, head to the product research tool. This is where you can find trending, high potential products from top suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. Use filters like shipping location, profit margin, and niche to narrow things down. Once you find a winner, hit import draft. Now, go to your drafts tab. You can edit titles, descriptions, pricing, and images, or apply your automation rules like markup percentages, shipping buffers, and custom templates. When it looks good, hit publish, and the product goes live on your store. When a customer orders, AutoDS handles the rest. It auto purchases the item from your suppliers, fills out the customer's address, and even updates the tracking number, fully hands free. Also, don't forget the automation settings. You can create rules for pricing, inventory monitoring, out of stock handling, and even auto messaging for buyers. In 2025, AutoDS added smarter AI tools for pricing suggestions and auto optimization, making it even easier to start, manage, and scale your store. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Next up, I'll walk you through setting up your first automated order from start to finish.